You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English, pronounced as pneumatic. British English pronunciation. This is British English. In American English, it's normally pronounced as pneumatic with a flap T that sounds like a D. Pneumatic, US pronunciation. So you've understood the P is silent, so the first syllable is new. Pneumatic. Stress on the second syllable, the ma syllable. How to pronounce pneumatic, British English pronunciation, or pneumatic, American English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.